So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to.
Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. I am looking like a whole hot mess right now. It's like 12 in the afternoon and I have yet to get ready for today. Ran to Target, brought Braden to school, had to go get him a baseball helmet because he starts t-ball tonight, has his first practice, did all that and have yet to get myself ready, so I'm gonna get myself ready here soon. But I wanted to start today's vlog and just say hi and welcome back to my channel. We are just outside because Braden was just practicing some t-ball.
We just had to play because we didn't play one for 10 years.
10 years! Because t-balls every spring. But we are about to head inside. I have some homemaking things to do today, so I figured I would bring you guys along.
Like 10,000?
Yeah. So I figured I would just bring you guys along for a little get it all done today. Like I said, we have Braden's first practice tonight, and today's a Monday. It's at 6, you're right. Today's a Monday, and after today he has a game Wednesday, a game Friday, and then that's like every week. We have 3 days of t-ball every week, so
yeah.
Things are going to be kind of busy, and we have been working a lot over at...
Yeah, I need to do jail, t-ball, jail, t-ball.
Yeah, school and t-ball.
Yeah, those are my two favorite things in soccer.
Your two favorite things?
Yeah, I don't know when we are doing soccer.
Soccer's not until fall time.
That's in when the way.
That's like when you start kindergarten, that's fall time.
Yeah.
Oh, we've also been working a lot over at my mom's house. I will explain that more to you guys a little later in a different video, but at my parents' house we've been doing a lot of work over there, and so we have just been super busy lately, and I wanted to get up 2 videos this week, so I figured this is the best way to do it, is to bring you guys along with me for get it all done. Okay, I got myself semi-ready here. I mean, as good as it's getting today. My hair is a mess, but we're gonna call it good. So Easter time, my mom bought a bunch of like sugar cookie dough, just pre-made Pillsbury sugar cookie dough, and she gave it to me. So I am gonna attempt to make little baseball cookies for the first day of t-ball, and I'm gonna make like a fruit salad and stuff to bring as well. So let's attempt some baking together, you guys. I cannot bake. I'm a horrible baker, but we're gonna attempt this. I have some cookies cooling and some more in the oven, so we're gonna get started on the ones that are cooling. Here goes nothing. Alright guys, I'm actually really nervous about this. So my cookies aren't perfect. Like I said, it's just pre-made dough. So nothing special there, because again, can't bake, but I'm just gonna spread some regular whipped cream on it. This is the Pillsbury vanilla. Like I said, this is not gonna be perfect. But my mom just had so much dough and she was like, why don't you make some cookies? And I was like, well, if I'm gonna make cookies for practice, I'm gonna at least attempt to make them cute and festive. And then I made some red frosting. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna take this bottle and make kind of like a little outline for myself for the stitching. All right, here we go. Okay. And now to make the little lines, I'm gonna take a toothpick and just kind of like zigzag it back and forth. You know, I love to cook, but baking is really just not for me. But, I mean, that's not horrible. Definitely looks like a baseball. It's not no professional cookie, that's for sure, but cute with what I got. So I think that there's like 12 kids on the team, so I'm gonna make like 16 of these probably just to be safe. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 right here, and I have 6 more in the oven. So hopefully that is enough. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these, and then we will make some fruit salad together. And then I bought some Honest juice boxes as well. Okay, the cookies are done. They actually are a lot cuter than I expected them to be. I won't lie. I mean, like I said, they're not perfect. They look like they were done by like a 5th grader, but good enough. I am going to get some oven in the oven. I'm gonna get some bacon cooking in the oven because we are going to have BLTs tonight, and since practice isn't until 6 o'clock, I want to do dinner before practice. But I like to keep dinner super easy on nights like this when we have stuff going. Like for sports and whatnot, it's just so much easier to keep dinner easy. So BLTs are a super easy dinner, except for I just realized I don't have like whole tomatoes. I have a bunch of cherry tomatoes, but no whole tomatoes. So we're just gonna make it work with the cherry tomatoes. The easiest way to cook your bacon, not have to get, you know, burnt a million times, is just throw it all on a baking sheet, pop it in the oven until it's to your likings. We like ours crispy, so I keep it in for a bit. Okay, Tristan just woke up from nap. I just sent them outside to play. That's always where they're best behaved, is outside. I am going to start working on the fruit salad now. First, I need some energy. These energy drinks are my favorite. They're the like Alaninu. I don't know how you say it, but whatever brand, and they're like healthy energy drink. So, I mean, you know, healthier. So I've been loving them, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my fruit cut up, get this fruit salad going.
Be quiet. Be into my.
So as you guys saw, I just got this fruit earlier, and this is literally the only fruit that Target had. So I'm making it work with what they had. I wish I had some other things like grapes and blueberries to add in, but for now this is it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze some lemon in here. I made sure to de-seed it first so you don't have any lemon seeds falling. And then I love it, thank you. Keep having to pause, but it's always my favorite thing when my boys bring me little dandelions. So sweet. And then I'm also just gonna drizzle a little bit of honey in there and then mix all the fruit up, and I'll try a piece, see if we need any more honey or anything. Okay, my bacon is done, so let me show you guys what makes BLTs amazing. Alright, so I just have my mayonnaise in a bowl, and then I'm gonna take some minced garlic. You know we measure that with our hearts around here, so quite a bit. Quite a bit of minced garlic, gives it lots of flavor. I'm gonna put some lemon juice in there. A little paprika. Some oregano, and then of course salt and pepper. So then when it's time to assemble, you just really elevated your mayonnaise game, and this gives it so much flavor.
Sit in silence until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 oh.
Why is something so simple always so good? Okay, we are going to drop my mom off some dinner, and then we are heading to T-ball practice. Are you so excited? Your first night? You got your helmet on already and everything. All prepared, huh? Okay, you guys, I did not film at T-ball at all. There was like a park there, so I was running around with Tristan at the park while Floyd was helping with T-ball, which actually kind of worked out. These are stuck in my hair. But now we have to clean up this kitchen because I did not get to I did not get to clean it up before we left for t-ball. The boys are going down for bed. T-ball's 6 to 7, and then they all played at the park for a little while, so it's already 8 o'clock, and that's when my boys go to bed. They took baths when we got home. It's a good thing we had dinner before, but I need to get this kitchen cleaned up because it's a mess.
But kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me